As part of our risk management process, we have a duty towards our employees, of a duty of care to ensure that our employees are safe and protected from any hazards or any risks that may be found on site. This all entails the implementation and compliance, ensuring that we mitigate certain hazards by implementing control measures to ensure that our employees are kept safe along the rail. What this would entail on a daily basis would be for our supervisors to do a daily safety task instruction. This would highlight the activities. From there, once the activities are done, the hazards would be identified and our control measures would then be put in place. How this would benefit for the project execution is to ensure that we have the safe working environment for our public and our workers on site. We have various sites, and we have 3 EHS officers. On a daily basis, we split these activities and tasks between ourselves, where we would go out onto the sites, monitor the activities taking place, complete inspections, check documentation, ensuring that the equipments we utilize on site are legally compliant, and to ensure that we don't have any injuries or any losses on that day or throughout the project.